Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a gumball machine, a working one. So watch. This time I got a golden gumball. What? See, look. Golden gumball. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. I'm in the same world as my time machine one. So the first thing that you'll need to do is, if you have this update, it should be the fish update. You'll need a magma cream, a heart of the sea, slime ball, and snowball in Minecraft. So if you don't have the update for fish, then you can use, let me think. If you want to, you can use the Eye of Ender or an Ender Pearl. Or you could use one of these I forgot. I need to firework star small bowl, whatever it's called. One of these. You could use one of these instead if you don't have the heart of the sea and the fish update. Okay, so now you'll need to get a concrete of your gumball machine. You'll need a pressure plate. Oops. Can I get a pressure plate? Get a stone pressure plate and an item frame. Then you'll need a stone slab. And last but not least, glass. Oh, and one more thing. You'll need, the last thing I think is you'll need a dropper. Okay, I need to throw all this stuff out of my inventory. Okay, so once you have all of that stuff, oh, I forgot, and you need an anvil. So take out your anvil. Okay, it's raining. I'm gonna change it to clear weather. So, my pressure plate. Okay, so I'm gonna put my anvil down. I'm gonna tap it because I'm in Pocket Edition. If you're on the console edition, I think, or the computer edition, whatever it's called, you should press U so you can get into the anvil. And you need to put the magma cream in, delete the magma cream word, and type, I'm doing golden gumball for magma cream. So G, I need to find G. I don't know how to spell golden. You don't have to do it, but once you get all of I would name magma cream I would name it golden gumball, and the heart of the sea I would name blue gumball. Slime ball I would name maybe normal gumball or green gumball, and the snowball I would just name white gumball. So once you have that done, you'll need to get your red concrete out, or get your red concrete, place one, then place glass on top, then place a slab of your choice on top of it. Then put a item frame right there, then a slab, or you could do a cobblestone wall, because that's where the gumballs come out. As you can see, doesn't it look like that? Okay. I'm just gonna have to go collect those. It's getting on my nerves. So next, you'll need to dig one block away from your gumball machine. I'm sorry, from your gumball machine, and get your dropper out.
Can I do that, Block?
No, I'm taking a video. Okay, get your dropper out and place it in the hole that you dug. Then double tap sneak, because I'm in Pocket Edition once again. Then go into your dropper and put all your gumball-like things in there. And then there you have it, gumball machine. So once you step on the pressure plate, you'll get the gumball. And that's it for today. What? That's it for today's video. Bye.
Can I do a video now? What?
There is the time machine, sorry. Okay, bye.